TinyCore Linux version 17.1. Lightweight Linux mastery in a tiny package. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring one of the most fascinating Linux distributions out there. TinyCore Linux, now at version 17.1. In an age of ever-growing operating system sizes, TinyCore continues to prove that you can have a fully functional, modern system in just a handful of megabytes. Whether you are reviving old hardware or building something ultra efficient, this release keeps the spirit alive with updated foundation. First, the TinyCore philosophy. TinyCore Linux isn't a ready-to-go everyday desktop like Ubuntu or Fedora. It's a modular base designed for customization. You start small and add only what you need using TCG extensions, lightweight SquashFS based packages that load on demand. The system loads entirely into RAM for incredible speed and a fresh start on every boot. This approach delivers stability, security, and performance that heavier distros can't match. Now, the additions available. First, the core version, which is around 17 to 20 MB. It's command line only. It's perfect for servers, appliances, or custom builds. Number 2, which is TinyCore. The size is around 23 to 25 MB. It adds a lightweight FLTK or FLWM graphical desktop. Great starting point for new users with wired networking. Number 3, CorePlus. The size is around 248 to 275 MB. In this installation image, you get extra tools, multiple window managers, wireless support, and remastering options. It runs on very modest hardware, as low as 46 MB RAM recommended for GUI, even less for CLI, and supports both 32-bit and 64-bit architectures, including ports for Raspberry Pi and more. So, now the highlights of version 17.1. Version 17.1 builds on the strong version 17.0 foundation, maintaining the Linux kernel 6.18 series with its improved hardware support and the refreshed toolchain, which has glibc 2.42, GCC 15.2.0, etc. The project page now reflects the 17.1 branding, incorporating ongoing updates to extensions, mirrors, and stability tweaks from the active community. Now, the key benefits from this generation. Better modern hardware compatibility, newer processors, graphics, input devices. Enhanced HTTPS mirror support for safer, more reliable extension downloads. Continued emphasis on minimalism. No systemd, BusyBox-based, fast and efficient. Easy persistence options, frugal install, so you can save your setup without losing the RAM-resistant advantages. About the result, a system that feels snappy on everything from vintage PCs to low-power modern devices. So now, why choose TinyCore Linux in 2026? Extreme efficiency. Boots and runs in RAM with tiny resource usage. Total control. Build exactly the system you want. Portability. Perfect for USB sticks, embedded projects, or testing. Longevity. Keeps old hardware useful while supporting current tech. Community driven. Thousands of TCG extensions and an active forum. It's ideal for tinkerers, educators, developers, kiosk setups, or anyone tired of bloated software. So now, how to get started? Visit the official downloads page at tinycorelinux.net. Download the ISO that matches your needs. Test it in a virtual machine or an hardware. And explore the app browser or CLI tools to add software. The wiki and forum offers excellent guides for installation, persistence, and customization. Here is the quick tips. Use CorePlus for easier wireless and multi-desktop setup. Set up backups or persistence for your configs and extensions. Experiment freely. The RAM-based design makes it very forgiving. Now, final thoughts. TinyCore Linux version 17.1 is a shining example of what thoughtful, minimalist design can achieve. It challenges the assumption that more features always mean more bloat. If you value speed, control, and efficiency, this is a distro worth trying. Have you given TinyCore a spin yet? What's your go-to use case for lightweight Linux? Share in the comments below. Hit like if you enjoyed this overview, and subscribe for more exploration of unique open source tools and distros. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.